Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering what Outlook needs to talk to Roundcube. Get your email, password, and the AMAP and SMTP host names. Once done, note the ports and whether SSL or TLS is required, because wrong encryption stops sync. Make sure AMAP and SMTP are enabled in your hosting control panel or with your admin. Then open Outlook and choose Add Account, but select Manual or Advanced Setup. This is faster and more reliable than Auto-Detect for custom Roundcube servers. Now you fill the technical fields so Outlook can fetch mail. For incoming, choose AMAP and enter the host name and port, typically 993 with SSL. Explain to Outlook to use SSL/TLS for security. For outgoing, enter the SMTP host and choose port 587 for Startles or 465 for SSL, and enable authentication using the same username and password. Once entered, test both connections. If the test fails, recheck host names and encryption because mismatch. Finish by running a send and receive to confirm messages flow both ways. Make sure Outlook maps sent, drafts, and trash to the server folders so actions sync with Roundcube. Then observe new messages and folder behavior. Sync delays can be fixed by adjusting sync frequency. If something goes wrong, here is one key tip. Recheck the port and encryption pair first. Also verify your username format, which may require the full email address. And ensure no firewall or ISP block is preventing SMTP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.